we are going to talk about is called Web to Lead. Very useful functionality that is available in Salesforce. It's called Web to Lead setup. Basically means is that from your website, you can create a lead. When the user fills up that form, it automatically goes into Salesforce. So that is called Web to Lead. And how you can implement that? Well, let's have a look at that. So first thing is we'll create edit here and then enable your organization to receive online leads. So that is enabled. Then to reduce spam, you can add a captcha as well. So let's do that. And the user who will be listed as the creator when the lead is created online. So you can select a default user here, and you can set up an auto response rule as well. So generally you would have seen on websites when you submit a form, you also get an email which says thank you for reaching out to us. One of our representatives will be in touch shortly. So something like that you can do as well here. So let's select one of the templates. So let's select new customer email and let's save this. So we have now built our main settings for the Web to Lead form. Let's create the form as well. So when we create the form, we can select certain fields that we want to put onto our website. So let's say for the purposes of this training, we just want to keep the first name, last name, and the email address, which are required fields on the lead. Let's do that. And you can also define a return URL. So put it something like your website. So in my case, I'll put TheTrailMaker.com. You can put a Recapture Pair. How do you find it? So you'll have to set up a Recapture Pair in Salesforce. And how do you do that? So basically when you register your site with Google, you get an API key pair, which we don't have in this scenario. So what we'll do is we will deactivate Recapture here, and now we don't want to include, and language by default is English, and the website is TheTrailMaker.com. Let's generate it. So this is the HTML code that you would get, and you can just simply share it with your website team, who would then in turn embed this code there into the website and make it look like your website. So how do we test it then as Salesforce? How do we test it? So we go to Notepad or any other tool that you use, paste this code and save it as, call it web to lead.html. Save it at a location that you would like, right? Once that is done, go to that location and open this particular HTML file. This would open something like this, and then you can put in your name, last name, email, and then you submit it. This, remember, we gave the return URL, so it has brought us to our website. And let's close this page and go to Salesforce and try and find if we actually got one lead here. So here we got our lead. It's created. Boom. We have got our lead with us. So that's how your Web to Lead works. Isn't it quite easy and quick to work? That's what it's all about. Yeah, that's how you do it.
If you have any questions, you can join the QA session, which happens every Friday. And please drop in your comments, feedback, and any questions in the comment section, and I'll get back to you.